Good evening and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It stayed mostly cloudy across South Africa today. Thunderstorms remained active all day long over the southeastern parts of the Northern Cape, and these storms are moving in a southeasterly direction and will reach the east coast later on this evening. On the other side, it was clear, dry along the west coast of South Africa with warm and very windy conditions. We're keeping the forecast for the western coastal areas dry. Light rain remains possible in the Overberg this evening, but scattered to widespread thunder showers are likely over much of the Eastern Cape, Southern Free State as well as the southeastern parts of the Northern Cape tonight. Isolated thunderstorms possible in Mpumalanga and Limpopo, and we could see more thunder showers over Gauteng and the southern parts of Northwest. The South African Weather Service warns against heavy rainfall over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape as well as the southern parts of the Free State, with a possibility of 50 millimeters or more. Tomorrow we're expecting mostly cloudy conditions over the interior once again. There's a low risk of thunderstorms in the morning over Cape Town. Otherwise, good chances of thunder showers over the eastern parts of the Western Cape. We're expecting quite a warm afternoon together with that, while the central parts of South Africa can also look forward to scattered thunder showers, especially in the Free State and Eastern Cape. Mainly isolated thunderstorms for the Eastern Cape coastline as well as the far northern parts of South Africa. Now, it was very windy today along the Western Cape coastline, and strong east to southeasterlies will persist overnight tonight but start to moderate during the early morning hours of Saturday. Thereafter, light winds in the forecast for the Western Cape coastal areas, while winds remain fresh northeasterly over the Northern Cape as well as along the Eastern Cape coastline. The morning temperatures start off quite high for the western parts, down to 18 degrees in Vredendal, 21 overnight in Uppington, 18 degrees for Port Elizabeth, but it's cooler in the Free State with a minimum of 12 in Bethlehem and 14 degrees in Johannesburg. Daytime temperatures warmer than today. We're expecting mid to upper 20s in the Eastern Cape. Cape Town could reach a high of 30, 34 in Vredendal. Over the central parts, a lot of cloud cover, 25 degrees in Bloemfontein, 23 in Bethlehem, and KZN warms up as well with a maximum of 29 expected in Richards Bay. For Sunday afternoon, partly cloudy conditions over the eastern parts, but thunderstorms remain active over the Cape provinces, while there is a chance of light rain in Cape Town towards the evening, and this could also lead to light rain on Monday morning with cooler weather in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the weekend.